Working with date fields. As you can see, the date format is missing for the auto date field. Let's click check button. See, we have an error. Now, for example, if we set the format to incorrect one, like this, and please note that it is saying if error set to null, and we click data preview button. See, the field is not populated. Let's check it to change it to correct format. Back to data preview, we can see it. A lot of people are confused about date formats. See, this date format is actually for the source field and not for the target. All it does, it converts the date into standard DBC format. So if your data is already in this format, for example, you extracting data from the database using the DBC, there is no need to apply date format, and it will make importing data slightly faster. Let's try to import it now. As you can see, it is working fine now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask them on our support forum. We are always happy to help you. And please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.